guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I am going to review a travel savior of mine. I say this is a travel savior because it was literally my travel savior when I went to Mathura this last month, and I have already vlogged it, and there is already a vlog in my channel, so you can just check it out if you want to. So I'm just going to talk about this. These are called actually travel cubes, or you can call it travel pouches. So I got this from Amazon recently. I wish I had found this earlier because this was of such a great help when I traveled last time. um, I'll tell you a story just for a few minutes, and if you are not interested in my story and you just want to skip to the review part of it, I will put the time snap on the screen so you can skip to that. And now coming to the story part, I had traveled to Mathura, as I said, for a wedding, and as soon as we reached there, we had to get ready and get going for the wedding preparation and all within like 10 minutes. So when I think about it, it was such a hurry burry and such a rush that I can't even tell you. If I had not had this product with me, maybe it would have taken me more than 15 to 20 minutes at least to sort out what things where I have kept it. And when I had arranged them in these cubes, it literally took me only 2 minutes to find out where is my thing, and I just literally had to grab it and just get going with it. So that is why I'm telling you this is a savior when it comes to travel. Now let's get into the product details. So to talk about this, I bought this from Amazon and it was about 499 rupees when I purchased it. I'll be putting all the links in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. Now coming to the product itself, this is actually a nylon material cloth what they have used, and it claims to be waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any leakage if you are trying to carry any makeup items or something like that. I basically carried only clothes in these, and I would also be trying out like makeup products in these in future travels that I do. So I will be updating it in my Instagram as well. So please do check it out when I upload on my Instagram about any updates or something about these. They come in 6 numbers totally. There are these mesh covering. It is a see-through pattern and it is a mesh. So when you open it, it is like this. So it is very see-through, and your clothes and all will be a perfect condition in these because they are breathable and it will not stink. Even if you are using it as a laundry bag, once you use the clothes that you are taking, once you have used it, you can double this as a laundry bag and you can use it for used clothes as well. So this is a breathable material and this will not stink, like your clothes will not stink if you keep it in them. And this is the largest size in this. There are also two more of this same pattern. Also talking about this package, it comes with a handle like this where you can just hold it easily and travel with it. So I think the material is very nice quality. There is no such like, I can't see anywhere it is torn or anything like that. It's very good quality material and I think it is long lasting as well. Even the zip quality is very good. So this largest pack can hold about 7 to 8 cloth pieces. I had carried two silk sarees and then two sets of kurti, and also I think a few of my dresses. So you can approximately carry about 10 cloth pieces in individual pieces. At least I think 5 to 6 minimum you can carry in this largest size package. These actually come in different sizes. There are totally 6 cubes and this is the largest one of all of them. And next comes this one, which is the medium size one, and this has the same pattern as well. The mesh covering is there, and also there is another one which is also of the same pattern, the mesh pattern. So this is like 3 of them, totally 3 packages which are having a mesh cover. So these are the 3 packages, and now coming to the rest of the 3, which is in a pouch formation. So the biggest one is this. This is the size of the biggest pouch in all the 3. So this is how it looks like, and it has one zip. The zip quality is also quite good, not bad. So there is only one compartment here, no partition or anything, just one compartment, that's it. So this is the largest one, and then comes this one. This is the medium size, okay, and then comes the smallest size. So there are basically 3 and 3, 3 plus 3. So this is how it looks like. I will also be showing how I use these, and I will also be including the clips of everything. These come in different colors and patterns, so you may check any of the color that you like or any of the pattern that you like. There are many pattern and many colors, so you can choose any of them. The main advantage I want to tell you here using these are that you can segregate your travel items. That is, in one of these packages you may carry your shirt or your shirt and jeans. Also you may carry your sari, or if you are a person who likes to do makeup or something, you can use the small pouches for carrying your makeup, and one maybe for dresses, one maybe for the winter clothing, everything. Like, you can segregate it and you know exactly in which pouch what is kept. So when you want to get a like particular cloth piece, so you know exactly which pouch what is the clothing item that you have kept. Also, since they are transparent covering, you can also see where is the exact cloth piece kept. So that is also very easy to take out the cloth piece and just use it. So that is one thing I liked in them, because earlier when I was using plastic covers, I used to segregate everything in one plastic cover. Like, if I am carrying jeans, then jeans and the tops go in one particular plastic cover. And maybe if I am carrying some sari, then I have to carry it in another plastic cover. And I used to segregate everything using plastic covers. But when it comes to taking out a particular cloth item, that suppose I have to take out one sari out of all the saris, then I have to literally pull out all the clothes from that particular bag, and then I will have to take that sari out, which was a task in itself. And once I'm done with everything, I just look at the floor and there is a complete mess, because you have to literally take out all the clothes if it is suppose you have kept that sari at the bottom part, right? So that was one disadvantage I found when I used to segregate them in plastic covers. But when you have these kind of like transparent covers, then you can literally see where it is, and the opening is such that you can easily open it and take whatever you want to. So that is also one advantage I found using these. So I think this is very helpful for people who want to be organized when you are traveling. You want to carry a lot of variety of clothes, and you want to, segregate everything according to like each item. So that is very helpful if you purchase these. So I will be putting all the links in the description box. I will also be leaving all the social media links in the description box. So if you want to be friends with me, please do check me out on the links below. And you may also purchase these from Amazon. And I think I have covered all the topics. I hope I have given you enough information about this product, so that if at all I am, like, able to help you out with your travel journey, then I am so much pleased and I'm so happy to help you out. So please do check out this product. Even if you don't want to buy it, please do check it out. Keep it in your save for later item, and whenever you want to travel, then you can purchase it maybe. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video was useful for you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, tata, bye bye, love you.